All right, let's break down this ad from Beauty Factory Medspa in Vegas. And so the ad says $49 special. Let me pull this up. This month only. Treat your skin to a professional grade facial for just $49 at Beauty Factory Medspa, normally $149. Deep cleanse, hydration, and glow. Perfect for a quick refresh or first time facial. This limited time offer is only available during August. Appointments are filling fast. Spots are limited. Click book now to secure your $49 glow up today. Located in Vegas, trusted by hundreds of happy clients. Don't miss out. Flawless skin starts with one appointment. And then the headline says facial special $49. All right, so first off, the offer's great. $49 facials, normally $149. That's a great headline. But here's the thing, the copy plays it safe. It lists features like deep cleanse and hydration and glow. But where's the emotional pull, right? Where's the Vegas level glamour? This is Beauty Factory, not a strip mall skin clinic, right? It says perfect for a quick refresh or first time facial. Cool, but vague, right? What's the transformation? What's the feeling after? The call to action is also a little soft, right? Click book now to secure your $49 glow up today. There's no urgency, no comment based hook, and it doesn't feel native to how people actually interact online today. This ad is one metaphor away from being a killer. It just needs more energy, more emotion, and a clear scroll stopping structure, especially in a city like Vegas where competition is fierce and attention spans are short. So we're going to use our $97 ad rework playbook to rework this ad into a head-turning appointment booking scroll stopper. I'm going to take a screenshot of this ad here and drop it in my document so I can edit it and see it. Oops. All right, so we're gonna go line by line. Again, I'm only gonna work on the copy and the headline here. So we're gonna call up the local area and include a bold transformation. So we'll say, "Hey Vegas, ready to glow like a slot machine jackpot." Right, we're tapping into location, energy, and shine. Classic Vegas. Right, this month only. Get our signature facial for just $49. Regular $149. Straight to the deal with urgency built in. Deep cleanse, dewy glow, pores tighter than your schedule. Leave with skin so fresh, your selfies won't need filters. This is the emotional outcome, not just a clean face. Trusted by hundreds of glow getters across Las Vegas. This adds credibility while keeping the fun tone. Spots are flying. Only 8 facials left this week. Now we create a real reason to act fast. Comment glow 49 and we'll DM you the booking link. Simple, frictionless call to action, which is native to social. $49 for the glow up you deserve. No gatekeeping. This makes the viewer feel like they're in on the good stuff. Let's add in our headlines. So $49 Vegas glow facial deal this month only. $49 glow up. All right, so let's review our ad copy. Hey Vegas, ready to glow like a slot machine jackpot? This month only, get our signature facial for just $49, regular $149. Deep cleanse, dewy glow, pores tighter than your schedule. Leave with skin so fresh your selfies won't need filters. Trusted by hundreds of glow getters across Las Vegas. Spots are flying, only 8 facials left this week. Comment glow 49 and we'll DM you the booking link. $49 for the glow up you deserve, no gatekeeping. Headlines: $49 Vegas glow facial deal. And then this month only $49 glow up. All right, this rewrite keeps the killer $49 offer, but adds the energy, emotion, and scroll stopping rhythm it was missing. We use a Vegas specific hook layered in emotional plus sensory benefits and close with a native comment based call to action that makes booking feel effortless. The tone is fun, modern, and makes your skin the star of the show. If your ad sounds like a brochure, your audience scrolls. If it sounds like they're bestly hyping them up, they book. This is exactly what we do in our $97 ad rewrite. We take what you're already running and make it actually book clients. Want your ad rewritten like this one? Grab the $97 ad rewrite. The link is in the bio above or in the description below.